Hello students, today we will be learning our sixth chapter of grammar, that is simple present and simple past. Here there are some words that you should know the meanings of. First of all, what is the meaning of simple? You must have already heard this word. Now let me show you using Google itself. Now you can see the meaning of simple is what? Easily understood or done. Now if you say that in Hindi it will be जो आसानी से हमें समझ में आए या किया जा सके, और presenting no difficulty, that means it is easy. Now let me go over here and show you the translation to Hindi. You can see these words over here: सरल, आसान, सादा, स्पष्ट. Okay, we will leave out all this, and over here सीधा सादा, साधारण, सामान्य. All these words means simple. That means it is not too difficult to understand, it is very easy. And next we have the word present. Present means abhi, now. And what do you mean by past? Past means जो हो चुका है, which has already happened. Let me repeat it once again. Simple means very easy to understand. Present means now. And past means what has already happened. Now in the first line itself, in the instruction that I give you in the PDF, you can see over here, write these in your notebook. Now I am not typing over here that you wrote these in your notebook or you will write these in your notebook. Now whenever you open this PDF, even if you open it the next year and you read this, write these in your notebook, it will be simple present. That means somebody is telling it to you right now, abhi. Write these, that means अपने textbook में यह लिखो, write these. So we will move on to the exercises. Now question 2, write the verbs here. Now I am not showing you the questions because you can use these words in any simple present tense. What do you mean by simple present tense? We will learn from these exercises. Now I will take any sentence. Water boils. It is a simple sentence. That means पानी उबलता है. It is a simple present tense. Create. You can use any sentence. For example, I create a PDF. That means मैं PDF बनाता हूँ. Very simple sentence. Next, I go to school. मैं school जाता हूँ. Simple sentence. I learn grammar. मैं grammar सीखता हूँ. Next, I like to play cricket. मुझे cricket खेलना पसंद है. He plays cricket. वो cricket खेलता है. Now from these 6 examples, what we understand is simple present is used mainly for habits, as you can see over here. He plays cricket. वो क्रिकेट खेलता है. We are not saying that वो क्रिकेट खेलता था और वो क्रिकेट खेलेगा. We are just using it in a simple present form. Same way water boils. Now there is a temperature, water boils at 100 degrees. If you go in any part of the world, even if you go to America, you go to England, water will boil at the same temperature. It will not boil at any other temperature. Same way, I go to school. You go to any country, you go to any continent, you ask any student, the student will say, I go to school. Now you are living in India, even you will say, I go to school. That means sentences that we use in a simple way are using simple present tense. I hope you understood this much. Let's move on to question number 2. Fill in the blanks with the correct simple present tense. Dear students, please note one thing. In any grammar test or in any grammar textbook or in any other grammar exams, you must read the instructions very, very carefully. As you can see over here, it is asking you to use only simple present tense. As we used words over here, same way we are going to use the words in these sentences. I go to my dance class. Now, every evening is not necessary over here. I go to my dance class. मैं अपने डांस क्लास जाता हूँ. As you can see over here, it is a habit that मैं वहाँ जाता हूँ. Next one, Sheila plays the piano very well. शीला पियानो बहुत अच्छे से बजाती है. Plays. Next one, the clown juggles balls for a living. For a living means this person earns money. What do you mean by juggles? Let me show you over here. They are known as jokers or clowns. They use balls. If you might have seen, they throw balls from one hand to the other and it keeps on moving in a circular manner, right? So this is known as juggling. But here the word juggling is not there, it is juggles. The clown juggles. So it is a simple present tense. That means the clown does this. Next, bananas grow on trees. Now you won't say that bananas grew on trees because it is not past tense. You go to any place of the country, as I told you earlier, bananas will surely grow on trees only. They won't say that bananas used to grow or bananas will grow. Next one, dogs like to chew. You can see from here, here, all these words are using very simple words. In the same way, salty water boils fast, astronauts fly to outer space. All these are kinds of habits. We'll move on to question 2. Write the verbs here. Now even here I won't show you the full sentences because you can use these words in any kinds of sentences that you like. First one, I washed the clothes. Simple sentence. I washed the clothes. Now what is the difference between wash and washed? When you say I washed the clothes, in Hindi it will become मैं कपड़े धोता हूँ. But if you say I washed the clothes, it will become मैंने कपड़े धोए. That means it has already happened. It is in the past tense now. Next one, cooked. I cooked a delicious meal. That means मैंने पकाया. It is the past tense. Same way, played. Now we have this word over here also, plays. For example, Virat Kohli plays cricket. Means what? Virat Kohli cricket खेलते हैं. Plays, it is a habit. Over here, played. For example, if Virat Kohli played a match, what it will mean? Virat Kohli ने मैच खेला. That means it is already past tense. For example, nowadays you must be knowing that the IPL is going on. Maybe yesterday or day before yesterday, Virat Kohli played cricket. That means खेला, past tense. Next one, built. Now you can use this word in your own sentence. This man built a house. It is already in the past tense. If it would be present tense, it would be build, build. But it is T, so it is a past tense. Next one, danced. He danced very well. Next one, played. He played cricket very well. We will move on to the next PDF. Students, please note, you have to cancel out this question. Now let me tell you the reason of cancelling. It is very difficult for you to understand during these online classes. So we won't study all this right now, otherwise you may get confused. We will move on to question 2. Make simple past sentences. Simple past we already studied about. Simple present. Now we will move on to simple past. Now before moving on to these, if you noticed over here, these words are also known as simple past verbs because these things have already happened and it is over. I washed the clothes. मैंने कपड़े धोए. It is finished already. So we will do the same thing over here. As you can see, the sentences are not in a proper order. Take the cakes. I home. Now after arranging all these, it will become I took the cakes home. मैं cakes घर ले गया. That means it has already happened and the action is over. If you can see this word take is in the simple present tense. So you have to make it simple past. I took the cakes home. In the same way, my sister ate all the cakes. Please note the past tense of eat is not eated or anything else. Okay, it will be ate. A-T-E. In the same way, she gave a few crumbs to the dog. Now, crumbs means small pieces of bread, or if you are eating chapati, the small pieces that remain after eating are known as crumbs. She gave a few crumbs to the dog. As you can see, this word over here, gave, is in the simple present tense. After turning it into the simple past tense, it will become she gave. Next one, our dog loves all kinds of junk food. Now please note question D is not according to the question, okay? Because we can't say that our dog loved all kinds of junk food. Now this is a habit over here. So please note, dear students, for the exam this question will not be asked, okay? It may change to something else, but it will not be given in this way. Our dog loves all kinds of junk food. Now, why we cannot say loved? Because it is a habit of the dog. Next one. My parents do all the shopping on Sunday. Even this is a habit, so it is do. You can see over here, make simple past sentences. My parents did all the shopping on Sunday is also correct, or you can also say my parents do all the shopping on Sunday. But the word do is more proper or more appropriate, so it will be my parents do all the shopping. Next one, she bought many things extra last week. Over here, first of all, let me tell you, you can also rearrange this sentence. Last week, she bought many things extra. Even that is a correct sentence, and even this is a correct sentence. She bought many things extra last week. Now, many of you students usually make mistake in these words. Let me tell you over here, the meaning of bought is, it is a past tense of the word buy. Now let me tell you the difference between brought and bought. As you can see over here, brought is a past tense of the verb to bring. Next one, bought is a past tense of the verb to buy. Now you already know the meaning of bring. Bring means lekar आना or ले आना. But the meaning of buy is खरीदना. When you pay money, you buy something. But when you bring something, you don't pay money. You just bring it. So the past tense of buy will be bought. Next one, we planned a picnic last week. Now, since it is already saying last week, you will not say that we plan a picnic last week because this has already happened. पिछले हफ्ते last week. Next, we packed snacks for the picnic and we went to the picnic spot. Now you must be thinking there is no word related to went in the question. Went means what? गए. We went. That means हम गए. Now there is no word over here, but it is over here. Go means what? Jana. What is the past tense of jana? Gaye. That means went. We packed. This is a simple present tense. This is a simple past tense. We packed snacks for the picnic and went. And the last one, we saw a funny film. Saw is the past tense of the word see. See is simple present tense and saw is simple past tense. We saw a funny film and laughed. Laughed is a past tense of laugh. Now you won't say like that we will see a funny film and will laugh a lot because you don't know how the film is going to be. Even though you know that it is funny, but it depends on the film whether or not you are going to laugh. So, we saw a funny film. It has already happened. We saw a funny film and laughed a lot. So that's it for this video. And students, let me tell you, verbs are very, very important for your English language. Whenever you speak, whenever you write, it is very important to know when to use simple present tense and when to use simple past tense. So I hope you understood all these things. Thank you, students.